Alright, you need to get out your Texas Test Prep. This should be a new copy. As long as you follow along and you do what I do and then you solve the problem, I'm going to give you some hints, some things that you can use to solve the problem, and then you need to go and solve the problem yourself. It is due at the end of the class period. Should be an easy 100 as I go through these problems with you. So let's get started. Look at number 1. What is negative 7 and 5/12 written as a decimal? Well, that negative 7, that's your whole number. As you can tell, A through D all have negative 7. So I know it's going to be negative 7 point something. We want it as a decimal. So the only part that I need to write is that 5/12. This really says 5 divided by. This fraction bar is division. So let's rewrite that. Top dog in the doghouse. 5 divided by 12. Add your decimal point. Bring it up. Okay. Add a 0. 12 can't go into 5, but 12 can go into 50. You'll have to figure out how many times can 12 go into 50. Use your multiplication on that. Okay. Your teacher's going to pause this. Give you a couple minutes to finish that problem. Let's look at number 2. Which set or sets does the number negative 9 and 1/2 belong to? Well, let's look at each one of these. An integer is a positive or negative whole number. So you need to think, is negative 9 and 1/2 a positive or negative whole number? It's not a whole number, so it cannot be an integer. A rational number. Okay, a rational number can be anything. It's any number. So negative 9 and 1/2 can be part of a rational number. So let's not cross that out yet. Let's look at C. C says an integer and rational numbers. Well, we already concluded that it can't be an integer. So it's not C. And D says whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Hello, we already decided it's not a whole number. So there's only one answer that could be. Number 3. Renee ate 1/4 of a pizza and Sumi ate 1/3 of the same pizza. How much of the pizza did they eat in all? Your key words are in all. That means total, adding. So we're adding fractions. 1/4 plus total 1/3. When adding or subtracting fractions, you have to have a common denominator. Well, what's the common denominator of 4 and 3? Well, 4 times 3 is 12, so I know I can go 4 times 3. Let's go down here and rewrite it. It gives me 12. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Therefore, that's going to be 1 times 3, which is 3. 3 times 4, come down and rewrite it, is 12. And 1 times 4 is 4. Now I can add those, and you may have to simplify it. You may not, and you should get your answer. Number 4, Kareem had $25 in his bank account on Monday. Circle that. The table shows his account activity for the next 4 days. What was the balance in Kareem's account on Friday? Look at these two words. I have deposit and I also have withdrawal. Okay, deposit means I am adding money to my account. And withdrawal means I am subtracting money from my bank account. When you grow up, you're going to need to know these. You should already know them. So Kareem started out with $25 in his account. So that's going to be 25. Okay, and on Monday, he took out money. He withdrew, so we're going to subtract. So minus $13.50. So you're going to subtract these two. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't subtract 0 minus 5. You're going to have to borrow. 5 becomes a 4. 10 minus 5, that's 5. Bring down your decimal. When adding and subtracting decimals, you just bring it down. 4 minus 3 is 1. There. So $11.50. $25 minus $13.50 gives me $11.50 left. Okay? Well, then on Tuesday, what happened? He deposited money. He deposited $85.10. So now we got to go back and add that. So $85, always put the bigger number on top. $85.10 plus the $11.50 that's in our account. Add it up. 5 plus 1, 6. Adding and subtracting decimals, just bring down your decimal. 5 and 1 is 6, 8 and 1 is 9. Now he has $96.60. Okay, well, look at Wednesday. What happened? Did he add or subtract money from his account? It was a withdrawal. He subtracted. So you'll need to do $96.60 minus $55.32. And then look at Thursday. Your teacher's going to pause this and let you go ahead and finish this problem so you can answer it.